Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Tesira EX-LOGIC Mini Expander and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons basically. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this not connecting, or if it seems to be bugging or frozen or not responding, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. You're going to need to set it up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're trying to set this expander up on a new system and you just want to get a fresh start, we can go ahead and do that, and we just need to find the reset button, and then you're going to need like a paper clip or something to press it. So it's not labeled, but you find it pretty easy on the back here all the way to the left. This is the reset button. So what you need to do is just press into that reset button hole. You should feel it kind of click or depress slightly, and just going to hold it for at least 10 seconds and then release the button, and then just give it a couple seconds for the reset process to begin, and then let it go through its process, and you can go ahead and set this up as a brand new device. Super thanks for watching.